Alright, solve by graphing. So, one method to find the solution of a system of equations is to graph them. So we are going to graph these and find out where they intersect. Alright, so here we go. Alright, graph each system and determine the number of solutions that it has. So from the other side, we learned there could be one, they intersect once. It could be the same line, so they intersect everywhere. Or they're parallel and they never intersect. All right, so this one is set up to the cover-up technique. So I got x equals 2 and y equals 2. All right, easy enough. X-intercept is positive 2. Y-intercept is positive 2. So here we are. All right. If I do the cover-up technique again, I got x equals 4 and negative y equals 4, which means y equals negative 4. So x equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and x is negative 4, 1, 2, 3, whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we connect the dots. Alright, so they intersect here, which is we went 1, 2, 3 to the right and down 1. So that is the point 3, 1. Negative 1, sorry. All right, there we are. Now they double checked, so they plugged these in each time. So 3 for x, negative 1 for y, so 3 plus negative 1 is 2. Not sure what this 3 is, ignore it, I guess. X minus y, so x was 3, y was negative 1. What the heck is that 3 doing? I don't know. Typo. So 3 plus 1 is 4, right? So the solution is 3, negative 1. You double checked. You don't have to do it every time, as long as it makes sense. Okay. All right, now let's graph these. All right. So y-intercept is 1. Slope is 2 over 1. Up 1, 2 over 1. Or the opposite direction, down 1, 2, left 1. Down 1, 2, left 1. Okay. This one's not quite solved for, so let's do that. Divide by 2 everything. Get y by itself, so I got y equals 4 divided by 2 is 2, plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. Oh, lo and behold, that is the same line. So, same line. Alright, so infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Alright.